In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable the reader feature on your Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Safari web browser and then select the Safari menu button up at the top left. Go down and select Settings. And then on the top bar, select Websites. And then on the left panel underneath General, select Reader. On the right side where it says when visiting other websites, click the drop down and select off, and then just close out of here, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.